This is Unit 3, Day 1 review. Okay. 2 restaurant host children's sport banquets so good charge a fixed fee of $10. So it's a fixed fee of $10 or a one-time fee. Sometime I should change this to a one-time fee of $10 plus. So plus $3 per person, 3 times the number of people. So X represents the number of people. Okay. Yummy charge $4. Yummy charge 4 people for $18 and 12 people for $50. Write an equation for the total cost of Yummy and So Good and Yummy to find each variable. Write an equation for total cost. So we want to know total cost. Y equals to the cost then. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's go with So Good. So Good is Y equals to 3 times the number of people plus the $10 initial fee or one-time fee of $10. Okay, and then Yummy, okay, requires more work. I should have left more room here. Yummy, we only know So Good. So total cost is 3x plus 10 here. Okay, Yummy needs more work. We got $4 for 4 people for $18 and 12 people for $50. So we need to find a rate of change first. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we got 50 minus 18 over 12 minus 4. So 50 minus 18 is 32 over 8, which gives you your rate of change of $4 per person. Oh, so Yummy only charged you $4 per person. So then you need to go y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. See if they charge any fee. Y minus a one-time fee minus x1, which is 4, y1 is 18, equals to m. M is 4, the rate of change we found over here. Right here is $4 times x minus x1, which is 4. So that gives us distribute. Some of you looking at your quiz, you're not distributing first, parentheses first, 4x minus 16, y minus 18. So to solve this, you have to add 18, add 18. So y equals to 4x, this is 0, plus 2, these two. So they have a one-time fee of $2, but it's only $4 per person. Cheaper one-time fee than the other one. Okay. I think that's it. Alright. So this one then is 4x plus 2. Alright, let's see. Number of people, 1 person. We're going to find our total cost here. For one person, X is the number of people. So one person, 3 times 1 plus 10 is $13. So 1 and 13 here. 4 people, 3 times 4 plus 10. If you put it in a calculator, you get a number of $22. 3 times 8 people plus 10, put it in your calculator, you get $34. Put it in your calculator like you see it. So for example, I'll bring up Google Drive here for you. You're on a computer at school anyways. Google Classroom. Put in calculator. Okay. Come and get a calculator here. Put in what you see there. Okay. Put it at top. So you put 3 times 8 plus 10. And then after you do that, you hit the equal sign, and you get your answer of $34. Okay. Then you do the same for 15. So 3 times 15 plus 10. Clear it out. 3 times 15 plus 10 equals $55 for 15 people. That's really cheap. Okay, now let's do the same for Yummy. 4 times, let's do this in blue, 4 times 1 person plus $2. You're only paying $6 here. 4 times 4 people plus $2. You're only paying $18 here. Put on your calculator if you're not sure. Okay. I'm going to minimize it so you can see. Use your calculator. 4 times 8 plus $2, $34. Look. 8 people. Yummy charged $34. So good. Also, it's the same on the graph. They meet at that point at 8:34. 8 people for $34. Yep, that's the solution. What is the solution of a graph to the left? And what does it mean? So, in that case, this is the number of people. And this is $34. Remember that. People, $34. That means the solution is $34. It means that both company charge $34 for 8 people. Okay, they charge the same, so it doesn't matter which restaurant you go to. Okay, let's look at the last one. 4 times 15 plus $2. That's 60 plus 2 is $62. Look. 15 people, it's cheaper to go to Yummy. No, it's cheaper to go to So Good. It's cheaper by $7. Okay? If you look at the table. Now, let's graph this. I think on yours they're already been numbered. Mine has not, so I'm going to number them. You can go on and answer these questions, but I need to do this. What in the world? Is it stuck? It's stuck. I can't. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. I think I want to count the other one by threes. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this. On yours, I numbered all of them for you. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 45, 48, 51, 54. 57, 60. Okay. 60. All right. And then you should be plotting these on the table. Let's do, you remember when you do this, you need to do one at a time. We're going to do So Good. You need to remember this is the number of people down at the bottom. And here is the cost. Okay, for one person, So Good is going to charge you $13. 12, so 13 is about right there. Okay. 422. 0, 10 is about right there. 834. 833, 34 is just a little bit above it. Oh my gosh, why does it keep doing this? I don't understand. Okay. 834, 1555. Right there. Connect all those dots. Lets me make those dots now a little bit bigger. And this is so good. Okay, you should be keeping up or going faster than me. Now the other one is yummy. 1 is 6. 4 is 18. 8 is 34. 'Oh look, I put it in the wrong spot. Okay. Um, 834, same spot as this red one, and 1562. Up there. Connect the dots. Solution at $8 and $34. Okay. And the blue line is yummy. So on your test on Wednesday, you need to label these lines. Take a point off. If you spend $120, so if it costs you $100, which restaurant would you choose? Explain. For 120 bucks. So let's look at both restaurants. Use mathematical reasoning. Okay, So Good charges $3 per person, plus a one-time fee of $10. Where Yummy charges $4 per person, plus a $2 fee only. Okay, so if you had $120, that's the cost. X is the number of people. Y is cost. If you go back and look up here, Y is the cost. Oh, sorry. Y is the cost. So you put 120 in where Y is. So your problem is 120 equals to 3x plus 10. Okay, so 110 equals to 3x. Divide by 3. You get, let's see. $110 divide by 3. Okay, 36. Okay, we need to see how much change you get back. So 110 divide by 3 is 36. That's 9,206. That's 18. Remainder of $2. So Good, you can get 36 people in. With $2 change. 36 people, and you'll get $2 left over. Okay, with here, 4x plus 2 equals to 110 minus 2, 108 equals to 4x divided by 4. 27 people only. Well, it's definitely best to go with So Good. You get, this is only 27 people. So Good will get you in, you can pay for 36 people with 120 bucks. Okay, so Good, let me change the color so you can read this. I'm sure you wrote smaller than me. So Good is best because 36 people can go there for 120, while Yummy only 27 can go. Okay. All right. Well, I hope you had enough more room in here than to write on top like I did. I ran out of room. Okay. Anyways, here is Jessie joining a gym. Okay, I'm gonna erase this right here so that I can read. Get Nice charged $20 per month plus a one-time fee of $90 or a setup fee of $90. The same thing means the same thing. So plus. Work Right charges $30 per month. Oh, so times X. So then X represents the number of months. Write an equation for total cost. Oh, so we want total cost. Y equals to the cost. Okay, Get Nice then. Let's change Get Nice to purple. Is 20x plus 90, a one-time fee. And work right is just y equals to 20 times the x. Okay. What is the rate of change in a y-intercept for Get Nice? We're looking at Get Nice here. Okay, Get Nice. What is the rate of change? $20 per month. Y-intercept is 0.90. They had only $90. Okay. So that's that. Simplify each expression. Now this one you should know how to do. I'm going to do A for you though, and then I'm going to leave the rest. Okay, A, because for some reason a lot of you may have trouble with A. Minus 3x minus 3x. That's 0, 0. So 0 equals to 0 plus 8, which is 8, not equal, no solution. Means the line are parallel to each other. They don't equal. Okay. Here, make sure that you combine like terms first. Combine these and these together. You get 10x minus 10, additive inverse plus a negative. Okay. 10x minus 10 here. Additive inverse. And then you minus 10x first. Finish the rest. And you'll see what your answer is. Make sure you name it one of them. Okay. And you should be able to finish C. You can pause it here and do C before you go on. Or you can finish it at home. Here's graph and state the solution. Okay, I can graph this one. There's nothing, so it's a plus 0. Alright, so 0, 0 is your y-intercept. I'll do it in red so you guys can see it better. 0, 0. Go up 2 over 5, that's the rate of change. Up 2 over 5. Down 2. That's that one. Now you cannot graph when it's like this in standard form. You have to add 4x. See how this makes 0? Add 4x here also. Okay, I'm going to change it to blue. That's 0 plus 10y is 10y equals to negative 10 plus 4x. Divide all of it by 10. Plus, you can't divide this, so you reduce it to 2 over 5. Oh no, this is a 1, not an x. What am I doing? X. Right there. So your rate of change here is, this is the rate of change, 0, negative 1. I mean that's a y-intercept, wrong. This is the rate of change, up 2, right 5. So you start out at negative 1 and you go up 2, right 5. Up 2, right 5. Correct? Up 2, right 5 each time. Down 2, right 5. They never meet. This line is called parallel. What is solution? No solution. The lines are parallel. What's the y-intercept for which one? Y-intercept are 0, 0, and 0, negative 1. Again, I can graph this one. Let you graph it. A lot of students are having trouble with the bottom one. Before you can graph, you need a minus 3x, minus 3x. 0, 0 plus 4y is 4y equals to 32 minus 3x. Divide by 4. Y equals to 8 minus 3 over 4x. So your y-intercept is 0, 8. Your rate of change is down 3, right 4. So y-intercept is at 8. Go down 3, right 4. Keep doing that. Up 3, right 4. Connect the dots. And you do the same for this one. It looks like they're parallel again. Actually, this one is at right there, down 3. Oh, it's the exact same line. Basically, they meet at all the points. So it's infinite solution. Infinite solution. No, the answer is forever. What's the y rate of change? The rate of change is negative 3 over 4. No x, just 3 over 4. Find the rate of change for these and its possible meaning. Okay, you guys know how to do this one. Okay, your friend's trying to lose weight at a steady rate. 3 months, he weighed this much. So 3 months, he weighs 160 pounds. In 6 months, 151 pounds. And then you do y2 minus y1. You guys are all expert at this. X2 minus x1. Now the hard part you guys forget is the meaning, if possible. This has a meaning. The y's are the pounds. The x are the months. So this is 151 pounds minus 160 pounds all over 6 months minus 3 months. So this is negative 9 over 3 pounds. So he's losing 3 pounds 9 pounds every 3 months. Or he's losing 3 pounds every month. That's what it means. If you write smaller, it would help. I write too big. This has no meaning, so you just do x1, y1, x2, y2. You just find the rate of change. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, this is all the same thing as that one over there. So I'll let you do those. Okay? Identify the dependent. Dependent is the y, independent is the x. Identify. Okay, let me circle these. And these right here looks like the center of all the dots. Those do. Okay. Now, the dependent is the cost, and the independent is the age of the car. Uh-oh. My mom. Okay, outlier. This is the outlier right there. 7 and 18. Oh, I can't. And then you guys know how to do this. These two dots. We've done a lot of this. So I'm going to use this dot and this dot. 1 and 20. X1, Y1. And the other one is 4 and it's 1,000 each time. 1,500. 15,000. Okay, and then subtract y2 minus y1 over, oh my gosh. This is x2 and x1, y2, okay? I'm lost. I'm worried about my mom calling me. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and you finish this. I'll do this one and then you guys do. This is only asking for this part. Okay, and if you do that, you can have lots of outliers if you want. No more than 2. You don't want more than 2. So we'll just use these right here. And then draw a line that includes a lot of it and leaves the 2 out. Like that. Okay? So I'll choose this dot. No, that's not a good dot to choose, I don't think. No. We can make our own line. You don't have to use this line. You can use like this, and that, and that. Like that. Okay, and then you can You can make your own, not the best align, the best fit, but it works because you cut your circle in half. Right there. Is that a good one? Not really. Not a good one. So, I don't like that one. This one's a good one. You can redraw your line of best fit. Some of you aren't redrawing it and you get bad numbers. 555 here. And the other one is it's not a good one either. I'm just going to use this one right here. 0 and 60. That's a good one. Just do that and you'll get x1, y1. Okay. And then I'll finish this one here. And I think that's it, right? Yeah. So make sure here you write dependent is cost. Independent is, and you give me that answer. You know the answer. Okay, and then you 1500 minus, 15,000 minus 20,000. 4 minus 1, that gives you 5,000 over 3. Can't do anything with that. No, you can't. And you leave it like that. And then you do, I'm going to use this, no. I'm going to use, let's see, which one can 3 go? I'll use this one. Y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. These are big numbers I chose. Y minus 2,000, 20,000 equals to m, which is 5,000 over 3, then x minus 1. Y minus 20,000, 5,000 over 3x minus. Okay, let's see what 5,000 over 3 is. Clear 5,000 divided by 3. Uh-oh. Where's the X button? Okay. Equals. Ha, look at that. How many 6 there are. Okay, that gets you. Okay, 1,666.6 repeating. That's what it gets you. Add 20,000 to both sides. Add 20,000. Use the calculator. You get y equals 5,000 over 3x plus. You're going to subtract that to 20,000 because it's a negative and a positive, and your answer will be a positive. 20,000. So your answer is a positive, even though that says negative. Ignore that. 3.3 repeating. That's your answer. You know how you use your calculator. Okay? So, good luck on this one. And that's it. You should be fine.